Hi guys, this is just a quick video. Everybody has been looking for this lamp on IKEA. So guys, guess what? You don't have to go on IKEA. Everybody was like, well, the lamps are steady being out. That is my lamp. And I'm getting ready to show you where you can get this lamp cheaper than $60 at a regular everyday price, shipped to you for free. You know, if you get it from IKEA, yes, you got to pay for the shipping. It comes with a remote and all. I love my lamp. And much cheaper. So keep watching. Okay, what you want to do is go to whatever your search engine is, put in walmart.com. You can see I have been on the website. So here is Walmart. I am going to go over to their site. So here is Walmart, and what I want to put in is Dodocool floor lamp. Dodocool floor lamp. And it will take you over to the lamp. So here is the lamp, guys. $38.99 with free shipping. Hello, guys. I did pay $41.99, but I got to order 2 more. So what do you think I'm going to go? Do you think I'm going to IKEA? Absolutely not. Mine come with the remote. Mine click on and off on the very top. I love my lamp. For the price of IKEA, from Walmart, I can pay for 2. So this is the lamp, guys. I wanted to share this with you. And now what I'm going to do, so now I want to show you over at IKEA. So here it is, IKEA. You can tell I've been sketching and scatting, looking around. So now you go to IKEA. Let's go to their website. And you go, here is the lamp. So guys, you know I've been doing my homework. So here is the same lamp, guys. The same lamp. Can you see that? Mine do come with a remote for $41, which now you can get it for $38. This is the one at IKEA for $59.99. So if you're looking for this lamp, guys, go to walmart.com. See it? $59.99. Plus, you know you got to pay shipping. Walmart, no shipping. So, guys, I had to pass on this information to you. So this is Viology. And guess what, guys? I am out. Please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. And until the next time, guys, bye.